Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Truecaller. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above here, you will search about Truecaller and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Truecaller as you see here. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.